What is up, ninth graders? My name is Mr. Ryan. Welcome to Academic English 9 composition. We'll be meeting face to face pretty soon. If unless you're in Group A, then we've already met face to face probably by the time you see this video. So what I'm going to do is just run through a couple of things as far as navigating Canvas is concerned in this course. Mostly this will be for Group B because you guys will be working without me helping you, at least to start. So I will say that you have a 3-school-day extension. I don't know if you know that, those of you in that first group, you have a 3-day extension for Canvas. So like if you have trouble at the beginning of the week and you come and see me at the end of the week because you didn't know how to do a lesson or whatever, you still have 3 school days to submit the work to me. So you have a little bit of leeway there, so don't panic too much about Canvas. And the lessons on here, we'll kind of get it figured out together. So if you just take a look here, this is what the home screen is going to look like. I'm in the teacher view right now just because I have to publish to get the actual student view and make it work. But the teacher view is pretty similar to the student view, so this will look a lot like what you'll see. If you scroll down here, you'll see that there's 3 remote lessons per week. Of course, this week is a short week, which throws another wrench into the works here, but so you only be doing 2 lessons. You're going to do remote lesson 1 and 2, and then you'll see a warning here that you don't have to complete this lesson until the following week. So you're going to do lessons 1 and 2. After you've read the welcome message up here, you can just click on the lesson modules. And in this section, all of the modules are laid out. Okay, so for instance, this whole thing is a module. Okay, so it says remote lesson 1 up there at the top. And then all of this is one module. You'll see that for each module, there will be a before, during, and after. So you have to complete all 3 of those components for each module. Okay, so like that, all what we're seeing right there is what's going to be the first lesson. Right here, you'll see remote lesson 2. And all of this is that remote lesson 2. Again, before, during, and after. You have to make sure that you complete all 3 steps. And then remote lesson 3, same thing. So the format will look largely the same, and you'll kind of get better as you go while you're navigating. Over here on the left-hand side, there's some stuff like you can look at the, what's a lesson and what's a page and all of those different things. But that's all kind of navigation stuff, so we'll save that for a little bit later. Like I said, you'll kind of get better as you go, and what you don't, what you're having trouble with, we'll pick up with in class and work with from there. But some of the lessons will be text boxes, so like you'll just type me a response. Some of the lessons you'll need to print out and bring to class, and if that's a problem, we can talk about it a little bit later as well. But welcome to the class. That's just a short intro to Canvas. You can get started with the lessons, and whatever else we need to address, we'll address when I see you guys in person.